Question 15 is asking us to consider the following diagram and to prove that triangle ACE is similar to triangle BCD. So what we're trying to prove is that triangle ACE is similar to triangle BCD. And we know the two ways of proving that triangles are similar is either through the side angle side rule or the angle angle rule. We can see that looking at this diagram, we haven't been given any information about the side lengths. So the one we want to use in this case is the angle angle rule. And so we can see looking at these triangles that this angle C is actually shared between the two triangles as they've been written here. And that's good. That means we have one angle that matches up. And so we want one more to match up to prove that these triangles are similar. And we can show that by looking at this straight line here, AC, it crosses these two parallel lines, which we've been told by these arrows here are parallel. So this straight line crossing these two parallel lines is called a transversal, and this actually indicates that this angle here is exactly the same as this angle here. So writing that out, looking at that transversal shows us that these two angles are corresponding, and those angles are given by angle CBD and angle CAE. So CBD and CAE are corresponding angles, and that means that they are equal to each other. So angle CBD equals angle CAE in their value. So great, we've shown that two angles match up. That means that our third angle must match up, and again, we can look at our diagram and see that this is another transversal of the two parallel lines. So these two angles must be equal to each other as well. So all our angles match up for our triangles, and that means that by the angle angle rule, these triangles are similar. So we've proven this statement here and answered the question for question 15. Again, for these statements, the order of the letters matters, and so we must check that these vertices match up on our two triangles, and indeed they do. So we can be confident that this statement is correct.